What is up, YouTube fam? I wanted to come back with another video, and in this video we're going to be doing something very important. And what we're going to be doing is I'm going to show you guys how to actually back test news. So for all of you that do not know, when we trade, there's really two major types of trading that we focus on. Okay, the first type of trading is technical trading. That means that we're looking at the charts. We're figuring out where the support is, the resistance, finding the trend line, using indicators, all that good stuff. That is technical trading. And then we have fundamental trading. So fundamental trading is a little bit different, actually very different. What we're doing is actually trading by news. Things like stuff happening in the world, politics, new presidents coming into office, things like that. And what we do, what we use for this to actually find out the fundamental aspect when news is coming out on a specific currency pair is we use this website, forexfactory.com. So for all of you that do not know, really what I'm focused on, this is what will pop up when you type in forexfactory.com. It has all the news occurrences right here going on. So the first thing that I do is I go to this little filter box right here and I get all these unclicked except for the red box. Now the reason as to why that is because right here it says impact and it says high impact expected. So usually when news comes out for a specific currency like the USD right here, when it has a red box next to it, that means the news is going to be a high impact news, meaning that that's going to really push the market. So another thing that goes into this is that I really do not trade news until Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, or even Friday. And there's also something I want you guys to take note of, and that is the first Friday of every month we have NFP, non-farm payroll. That is a big news occurrence for the US dollar. So mark that down. You guys definitely need to know that because NFP is a crazy time to trade. You can either make a lot of money or lose a lot of money, but really what it comes down to, if you guys are using proper risk management, a proper 3-to-1 risk reward ratio, you guys are fine. And let me tell you guys, if none of this is making sense, reach out to me on Instagram. I want to help you guys all get my one-on-one mentorship because that has been benefiting so many of my students greatly. So if you guys feel like you want to learn, you want to take it to the next level, DM me. Let's talk about it. Let's get that going. So when we're looking at the news, what we're doing is we're looking at the currency, we're looking at the time, and the impact. So with impact, they're all going to be red folders. But what we do is we find that green little arrow right here. So the next time that we have news is for the US dollar at 7 a.m. This is the EST time zone that we are in right now, that we're looking at on this chart right here. So we're gonna have news on Tuesday at 7 a.m. So that's about 4 a.m. my time. We have news on the US dollar. So tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. we have news. And usually what I do when we have news coming out is I'll set an alarm on my phone 10 minutes before the news. And let me give you guys a hint. Every time that we are looking at news, really what we can do right off the bat is observe the trend. News really always follows a trend. So if we're in an uptrend, it's most likely going to continue to be in an uptrend. Take note of that, guys. So this is the news that we have for this whole week right here. You guys can see we have a lot of USD news, some NZD, some AUD, CAD. Overall, we have a lot of USD news coming out. So what you could do is just go to the dollar index. And we're going to do that together. We're done with forexfactory.com. So we go to trading view. And then we can go to any specific currency with Euro or USD in it. So let's just go to Euro USD, one of my favorite currency pairs. Okay. So if you guys don't know as well, this is TradingView. This is our desktop platform. I don't like to use the desktop platform for MetaTrader 4, so I usually just use TradingView, and it works greatly. So you guys can see we have a chart right here, kind of an uptrend. Just look at the weekly chart. Yeah, we're most likely going to see a decrease of the US dollar. Looking at the weekly chart, you guys can see right off the bat, there's multiple things. Boom, boom, boom. W formation right there. Okay. Delete this. So we have a W formation telling us it's buy. We are hitting the bottom of the Bollinger Bands right here. This technically is a reversal candle right here. It's kind of like a doji, but it's not a doji. I'd call that a spinning top. Right here, we kind of have the same formation in the past. And even right here, you guys can see that same candle as it was coming down as that candle closed on the weekly chart. price really started to move upwards. So right now the weekly chart of this candle just opened up yesterday on Sunday, and you guys can see it's already trying to push down, and it's probably going to test these lower lows right here. But overall, I think we're going to see more bullish shines for this week for Euro USD. So that means that the US dollar probably isn't going to be as powerful as the Euro this week. So keep an eye on this trade, guys. This is a potential setup. I'm just looking at the weekly chart, getting some confirmation, and even on the daily chart as well. We kind of had some bearish movement last night and this morning, but I think it might reverse up and start going up the other way. But definitely keep your eyes on this trade, guys. And that's really what I wanted to go over, is the difference between technical and fundamental trading and how you guys can spot it out. But if you guys need anything, please reach out to me. I use Instagram a lot, so that's the best platform to reach me on, and there is a link for my Instagram in the description. But guys, I will see you guys later.